I'm Chris.
I'm Jen.
I'm Callie.
I'm Cody.
And we're with Monsters and More.
All right, guys, today we are going to make a cauldron.
Yes.
Go ahead.
With the bubbles and the light in it?
Yes, with the bubbles and the light that Miss Callie is going to take home to her house where she is decorating for spooky season. So we are all super excited. Oh my gosh, we forgot to introduce somebody. It's Miss Lily. Say hi, everybody. Say my shirt's a little too big, but it'll be okay. All right, guys. So before we get started, I went to the Hobby Lobby and we bought these plastic, shatterproof, ornamental, 16 pieces. And we like the shiny ones. These have more of an iridescence.
Have that little bit of a color to them.
Yeah.
They look like a bubble does.
Yeah. And all we did is take the tops off all of them. Callie purchased her cauldron at where did we get that at? Was it Marshall's? Marshall's?
Maybe? Yeah.
Yeah. We also went to the Dollar Tree and we picked up the floral. I know I threw that over here.
Styrofoam.
Yeah, it's like the floral styrofoam, dry foam bricks in order to fit in here. I previously done one. I did the styrofoam round ball. Hers was a little bit more deeper than what mine is. So whatever works, fill it. I've seen people put Walmart bags,
whatever
newspaper.
You can get closest to the top so you don't have to use so many bubbles.
Yes. Yeah.
Balls, right?
Yes. And then we purchased some purple weights from the Dollar Tree, wasn't it? We got these from the Dollar Tree. So we are going to get started. So now that we've gotten all of our iridescent balls hot glued on, she and Cody will probably go back and add the smaller ones to fill in. We just didn't have any for tonight, but she's going to fill that in and have it overflowing on the side. But now it's time to try to get our lights in. And I did mess up on the one that I did, so we didn't want to make the same mistake on this one. When I was actually putting the lights in on mine, I laid them all in it and hot glued the ornaments over it. So now my lights are out and I can't pull it out without disassembling my whole cauldron. So we're not going to do that with hers. So what we did, y'all want to try to lift it? So you can see right here, they did it so we could just lift it and she can easily change it. Maybe she don't want this color all the time. Let's see where we're at. Okay. Oh, and look. Ain't it beautiful? That's why we love, yes. That's why we love these iridescent ones. Do you see like it puts off like a shiver to it and it actually looks like bubbles. I already showed it. It is beautiful. Look. Oh, it turned out so good. Now, you can add anything that you want to this. She did pick up some spider webs. Where'd you get those at? Some spider webs for the Dollar Tree. She's got some ribbon. She may end up tying a bow. Y'all, I'm the world's worst at tying bows. I cannot for the life of me figure out how to do it. I am going to get me a bow maker one of these days, though. That way I don't have to. But yes. I absolutely love it. I think it turned out great.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, and then you can replace the lights with anything you want it.
Now you took yours and glued this to the side of it, right?
I did.
But
to the back of it where it's going to not be facing. Yeah. Yeah, if not, you can just set it there. But yes. That's awesome. Turned out cute, didn't it? Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content.
Happy haunting.
See ya.
Bye.